Let's have some fun. Quarter case of Bowman Chrome plus the Pristine. Good luck. Oh, what game? I've just kind of switched over to music now. No worries, no worries. Just want to let you know that it is break time. Oh, Yankees. Well, you know who they're favoring. All right, guys. Good luck. Pack number 4 is the auto. Let's pull some heat. I got a fresh case today, and then I mixed the fresh case in with the already opened case that has not hit the GPK. I guess it's hit the Gladiators or the Diamond. So I'm just looking to hit multiple GPKs in a break one time. Because I'm going to get another case of hobbies at some point, mix that in. And we haven't hit a GPK yet. So I really just want to hit multiple GPKs. In one break would be insane. I want to do it at an affordable price too, somehow. Feliz first. Nimala. Blue Jays off to a nice start here. Ricky. I PC this guy. All right. Let's get after it. Pack number 2. That's my only card of the break. All right. Corbin, Soderstrom, Coles, Benny Montgomery for the Rockies, Blake Dunn, and Fellman. Love it when there's no fluff in a break. Love it when there's no fluff in a break. Just get right to the good stuff. Di Moreno right on time. Do you have a team in this? I feel like you do. I feel like I saw your name somewhere. Maybe not. I might have been looking at a wrong break. We always need a fluffer. Can't go right into the hits. Machado, Langford for the Yankees, Brandon Maya. Lorenzo and Ferreras for the Dodgers and the Stros. We need the fluffer just in case we hit a banger, you know? That's what the price drops are for. The mixers, let's say for bangers only. Let's skip that. He doesn't sign, unfortunately. But numbered cards. It would be sick because it's not possible. But numbered card, you're paid. Emil Morales. Jeter Martinez. Feldman came to the league for the Mariners. I'm just going to auto top load the it came to the leagues. But really, numbered card and you're paid. That's what we're hunting. On the board, Davis Schneider, Jack Leiter. I'm actually going to top load that Nimala too. We are looking for numbers for sure. Should have gone and re-upped on my top loaders. I'm going to have to do that. This is the last one of the day stack. We'll be back tomorrow though. Tomorrow is a price drop day. So all price drops tomorrow. Andy, Royce Lewis. Guanipa Perdomo for the Braves. Nice. Caleb Durbin and Dowell Joseph's a good pull for the Mariners. This is the auto we're hunting for Mariners. So I think that's you, Brandon, right? That is the prospect auto we're hunting. Dowell Joseph. All right, auto coming. So far, so good. And we go in color here. Oh, patch auto. Okay. Patch auto. Asensio first. Wait, is this the auto or is... I don't know. I really don't know. Luciano. Iverson, Allen Iverson. For the Pirates. Good start. Good start. This guy's going to have a good market just because his name. Really thought, oh, wow, Royals. Bobby baseball right behind it to 75. Nice little pull there. I mean, look at that name, man. If that's not an athlete's name, what is? If that's not an athlete's name, what is? Iverson Allen, beast. And a Bobby to 75 right behind it. Logan Ito, yeah. Yeah. Curly Martha. We need to pull the Curly Martha super. The Tigers just won, you mean? The Tigers are winners right now. That's the kind of team that ends up getting hot at the right time and going to the series. Especially when you got an ace like Skubal at the top. 71 out of 75 on the Bobby baseball. All right. Half a game out. Jeez. You're right there now. J-Ram, CES rookie, Walker Jenkins, Braylon Morel. I wish that was a D Cruz, but we take it. First Bowman for the Nats. First Bowman for the Nats. Angel Feliz. Cowser. Luis Baez, good name to 499. For the Stros, Yasel Soler and a Max Clark. Astros going to S. Bailey. Nice. His first Bowmans, I believe, were in regular Bowman. He's a big prospect for the Astros. Luis Baez. Let's go. It's pack 3. All right. Kyron Paris, Lawrence Butler. For the Mariners, Montez and Vaquero, Aiden Miller and Hurston Waldrep. Nice Montez. 0 Giants cards. That's my favorite part too. Especially when we got pristine at the end. Bichette, Manzardo rookie. Nice. Okay. All right, Gavin. We're starting somewhere. We are starting somewhere. It's a nice looking card. I know exactly what you're doing. That's a start. And we're in the first box too, so we just got to warm up for you a little bit. That's a nice looking card. It's got the rookie and the first Bowman. His first Bowmans were like last year too. Wasn't it 2022 Bowman? Or 2023 maybe? I feel like I remember seeing that stand somewhere. Anyways, could be wrong. Nice looking card. No. Thank you. Okay. Bobby. There's a junior on the... That's going to be Junior and Ellie. That'll go to the Rays. Very nice. That will go to the Rays too. So you got the junior. And you got the double card too. Oh, you did. Okay, never mind. Arias, and we got a purple here. For the Mets and Jeremy, it's Giovanni Rodriguez, first Bowman at 250. Jeremy in the mix. Giovanni Rodriguez to 250. Take that, take that. All right, auto number 2 coming now. I guess it's second card now. Familia. Bryce Eldridge. Nope. It's Brian Wu. And for the Tigers, Brady Serkonik. Tigers going to Dave. First Bowman, he'll take it. Tigers fan. First Bowman catcher. Tigers don't really have a catcher of the future. So a young guy. This guy? Serko Wink. Serko Wink, yeah. I've never pulled his autograph before. Maybe we haven't. I just gloss over it every time. All right, I need a new set of sleeves really quick. Wow, Brewers walk-off? That's crazy. Shouldn't have left that game. It only happened because I left the game, though. Is that how y'all want to do it? Is that how y'all want to do it, or you want to just rip through the... You want to rip through the Bowman first? Let me know. Was for memes? Okay, if it was for memes, then I'm going to go right to the Bowman. Because I want to get through the Bowman first. It's Forrest wants to say pristine next. Mark doesn't even care. All right, we'll reevaluate after the end of this box. We'll see, you know, if we want to switch it up after this, then we will. Yeah, I kind of want to just rip through the Bowman before Pristine. Pristine can be some monsters under the bed. I mean, still could pull some monsters here, but this is more of a flagship product, so lesser likelihood. Yeah, heavy hitters, man. Heavy hitters last. All right, Jack Leiter, rookie. Andy Rodriguez. Good start. Man, I wish that was one of the numbered versions. But there is a Paulie Skeens. Medina and Valor. On the board. Once again. So close, but that'll still cover a good chunk of the buy-in. I don't know what they're going for right now, but I imagine they're $10 at least. At least. Especially new release, Paul Skeens rookie. Yeah, where is he? We haven't seen him yet. He's going to be one of the autos. Just watch. That's why we haven't seen him yet. Lewis, J-Ram, Rincones for the Phillies, Rivas, and Profar. Pack 3. I know. Don't we all? Okay, some color in this one. CES. It's going to be the Rangers on the left. Adolis and Lubob. Naoki Uesawa. There's a Perdomo. There's a start. Okay, 21 on the Skeens. Nice. Oh, my first Bowman mini diamond to 150 for Jeremy and the Mets. Very nice. Very nice. Mr. LaCour. Pete. Good pull. My first Bowman mini diamond number to 150. Oh, right on time, Jeremy. Hold on. Just let that sit for a second. Oh, I sleeve this. And then you can hop back to your next break. To 150 on that one. Hey-o. The Butler, Luciano. Okay. Picking him up. Picking him up. Teodo and Vargas. Got the Junior Ellie. Got the My First Bowman. Now that it came to the league. We take it. Need them all. Need them all. Nice looking card. Okay. Brian Wu, Bo Bichette. Mariners again. Celestin and Dowell Joseph. No numbering there. Ben Rice first and a Harry Ford. Nice Yankees there. Mr. Ben Rice, first Bowman's. All right, Otto. What you got for us in pack 1? Auto 1. Brock Wilken. He's smelling a GPK. I hope so. Raylan Thomas. This is not the auto here. Okay. Kyron Paris. Auto coming back behind it. Eduardo Herrera for Stork and the White Sox to $4.99. Eduardo Herrera, born in 06. October 23rd, 2006. He is not even 18 years old yet. He is not even 18 years old yet. Insane. Unbelievable. I read that right. I know. Second. It was in high school. One second. Cool. Here we go. Old head indeed. Sorry. I didn't mean to call you old. Manzardo. Colson. Man. Wish it was an Ellie, but we take it. No Ellie for the Reds. Jacob Gonzalez and De Los Santos. Nice Colson there on the shimmer. And an OLV numbered to $3.99. $2.99 for Chris. Come on, GPK. Come on, GPK. Let's see a DeVries. Bobby, Abbott, Jake Bloss, and Beltre. Where are the Rockies, man? They're nowhere. Oh, this looks like potentially gold. Jordan Wicks, Rafaela. No. Nice. Okay, there's a start. There's a start for DeVries. How about that? Nice looking card there. First time I pulled that one for him. Perez and Nunez. DeVries on the left, so that'll go to the Padres. Finally a Cub. Yeah, Jordan Wicks rookie. We need to get the Cubs cooking. Cubs are going to cook a little more in pristine. Just watch. We got the PCA rookies there. There's a nice DeVries and Ramirez from the DR. That's 4 right there, so I'll put that on the top. Ooh, blue reptile here. Trey Turner. Nice Lawler D-backs upstart. Luis Morales. James Wood. Blue Reptile for the O's. Steven Martinez for the O's. Going to Mark. That's the name you want. That's the name you want for the O's first Bowman. Steven Martinez, 18 out of 150. Take it, Mark. Not bad. We're going to pull a GPK at some point. We got 3 cases of this stuff mixed together. There better be a GPK in there. Nice, my first Bowman. Jordan Lawler. He's heating up in AAA right now, I believe. Matos. Churio. Padres. Ha-Seong Kim and Wosu Go for the Padres again. Albertus and Julio Zayas. Churio and Matos there. Brew Crew. First card. No, I mean, he was injured for most of the year, so he's on like a quote-unquote rehab assignment, but I think they're going to let him kind of find his footing, and they'll bring him up for the playoff roster. That's my guess. That's my guess. Could be wrong, though. My D-backs fans might know a little better. Really? Base auto here? Is this the auto? No. Trade Cabbage. Sebastian Walcott. Darling Fernandez. Dodgers. Justin Robleski for the Dodgers, going to Chris with a K. Not the box I wanted to see. Base auto, and who was the other auto out of this? Was it Herrera? Oh, no. Wait, what? Was it Herrera? I think it was. Herrera was the one out of the first mini. Oh, White Sox refractor auto and a Dodgers pitcher. Looking for a little more spice here in box number 3. Gross indeed. Not what I wanted to see. Oy. Card's not cooperating. Hold on. Okay, here we go. A lot of teams MIA right now, man. Not too happy with the first 2 because it was all prospect autos. As expected out of Bowman Chrome, though. Just going to be a lot of prospect autos, so be careful when buying into this. That's why I wanted to throw that pristine in there. You probably won't see any, like, case breaks of this stuff, just, like, half case breaks even, because it could get rough sometimes with these prospects. Gonzalez, Kyle Harrison. Nice Rafaela there for the Red Sox. Thomas and Wilkin. You know, there's always some nice hits in there. And GPK would be nice. You know, big rookie auto would be nice. But most of the autos you're going to see out of this stuff are prospects. And that could get some of the only Bowman Chrome breaks a little tough. But I'm still hoping we pull something big the rest of the way here. There you go. See, now we got the pristine action ready to cook. Goldschmidt, Garcia, Rincones. I feel like I've seen this exact pack before. Teodo and Vargas with the Rincones AFL League. There's a Goldschmidt, but we're looking for Mason wins. We're looking for Mason wins. Number 3. Lane, Judge, no buyback, unfortunately. Jason Churio for the Guardians, little brothers Churio there. Ben Rice first, Harry Ford. Another one for the Yanks. Pack 4, that's our auto. Are you? Are you sure? There's an Ellie. There's an Ellie for the Reds. Lubob. There's a nice DeVries. 1 rookie auto per case is crazy, given that breakers are pricing this team based on rookie autos. Blossom Beltre. That is a unbelievably bad ratio. Wait, Skeens has HTA autos? Somebody can confirm? Yeah, they got to be from regular Bowman. They're chrome autos, but they're not from this product. Like, there's chrome autos from regular Bowman, but it's not from Bowman Chrome. Olsen, Corbin, Mauricio, and Luciano for the Mets. Starlin Nunez and Perez. HTA does have a totally different checklist, but Skeens does not sign in this. I know that for a fact. I know that is true. A green auto here. Jacob Gonzalez, De Los Santos, Chisholm, Chris Bryant, good luck. Castillo to 99 for the Rangers, going to Reed. Santana's the big name prospect, but still a nice looking signature. Good looking true green first Bowman auto. There you go, Reed on the board. Nice looking card. Yolfran Castillo. 07. Wow, they just keep getting younger. They just keep getting younger. I love the follow-up every time. So let's see. If we get a color auto, I'm just going to guess that we're going to get a base auto. We'll see if I'm right. But I think if you get one green auto, you're pretty much out of it for the nice poly right there. Chase Davis, shimmer for the Cards. Chase Davis, a good name. There's a D. Cruz there for the Nats. Take it, take it. All Pauls will get top loaded. Nice Chase Davis. Lindor. Okay, numbered card here. Casas for the Red Sox, going to Joe. Nice. To $4.99. That's a good question, man. I have no idea what they're going to do. Nishida and Basayo. I don't even know if they have a release date for Chrome Update, because Update is releasing soon. Regular Update is the day is Paul Autos. But 5-star is actually going to be the first product in which Paul signs, like his rookie autos in. That is true. Frelick rookie, Meadows rookie, Yankees, Dominguez and Arias, Chase Davis, and Guanipa. See if I'm right about that base auto here. Like to pull something else before we get to that, though. Smith Shaver, Otani, Mason Wynn, my first Bowman, Cardinals, very nice. Nice looking card there. Those cards are sick. I would love to build a full set of the My First Bowmans. I might actually do that. Might actually just go and buy all of those cards in like few months. These cards are beautiful. Is that just a little... Hold on. Get off the card. There we go. Much better, much cleaner. Nice Mason win. Okay, last two of Bowman. Got a purple here. Pereira. Radney for the D-backs. Iwasawa. Perdomo again. 2 Perdomos now. Basayo to 250 for the O's. Got a Stiven numbered and a Basayo purple. Take it. Okay, last of the Bowman Chromes. Good luck. Is my prediction on just a base auto, if you get color auto, going to be true? I hope not. I would love to have 2 numbered autos in the same one. Doesn't look like it's possible. Abreu, Westberg, Valor, Medina. Please. Please. Will Verdung. Will Verdung, first Bowman auto for the Braves. So close. Saw the bat, saw the logo. Take it. Born in 03, still a youngin', 21. So close, man. All right, no extra sweat in this break. We're going to do the one touches right after the main cards. Not the best, not the worst. Some people skunked. I didn't really like the autos that we got because it's just going to be so many prospects. It's going to be so many prospects. I want more variety of like rookie autos. You know, I don't even mind worse rookie autos if you can at least just give me some rookie autos. All right, here we go. It's going to make up for a lot. It's going to make up for a lot, folks. One touch we're going to do right after the main pack, unless I reveal it on accident. Then we'll just reveal it right away. Yeah, break's done. Everybody skunked. Because now it's the big stuff. Butler. Sonny Gray for the Twins. Butler and Sonny Gray. All right, the last of my top loader refreshes. Okay, here we go. All number from here would not be bad at all. Jordan Adams, Max Fried, Lane Thomas, Triolo, Squeaky Clean Volpe, Salvi, Nick Gonzalez. 2 Pirates rookies in that. 2 Pirates rookies. Okay, here we go. First one. Ben Joyce. Nice, Angels. Very nice. Captain Red on the board. Nice Angels auto there. We take Ben Joyce. Mr. Flamethrower himself. Pristine autograph, Ben Joyce. Take it. Take it, take it. Everson Pereira and Fernando Valenzuela for the Dodgers. Is this an oldie? Yeah, what the heck? I didn't know they had legends in this. Did I or did I not? I don't remember pulling any legends out of this stuff. Well, either way, nice little Fernando Valenzuela. Yeah. 55 out of 75. Nice. The worst pitcher to face in the show. Okay, good to know. Shane Biebs, Nico Horner, Yariel Rodriguez, Emerson Hancock. Little pitchers pack here. Glass now, Castellanos, and a Weston Wilson rookie for the Phils. Okay, number 2. The big unit to 75 for the D-backs. That's going to Upstart. Take that. The big unit to 75 for the D-backs. Now we need the big hurt after the big unit. No, I'm going to rip the Band-Aid off because there's no point in sweating this. I really hope it's not the auto. Hi, Reds. Hi, it's what I thought it was. Not what I wanted to see. Okay. Hopefully there's something else in there. It's not what I wanted to see. It's a good question, Logan. It's a great question. You said you would at top 5, and we made you. Patch auto better be a big one, man. Canario, Amaya for the Marlins to 75 going to Austin. It's not a bad pull for the Marlins. That's fair, though. I mean, we hit the Ellie auto out of 10 before we even got into hitting some Connor Phillips autos, so I don't know what I'm supposed to say. Is my Ellie luck run dry now after just one Connor Phillips pull? I don't know. Dobie, Gavin Williams, Torkelson, Wyatt Langford, J-Ram, Castellanos, and Garcia. This patch auto better smack. I know, we're getting killed. Oh, we saw it again. That one's to the Red Sox. It's Nomar. It's an extra auto. It's an extra auto. We take those. We take those for the Red Sox. Going to Joe, one of my favorite players growing up. Nomar Garciaparra. Pretty sweet third baseman right there. So 3 autos now. Ben Joyce, Connor Phillips. Wow, it's 2 pitcher autos and a legend auto. Okay. I know, we need some help. We need some help. Send a help, Tops. No patch auto here. Parker Meadows. Justin Steele to 150 for the Cubs. Justin Steele to 150 for the Cubs. Cubs, Cubs, Cubs. All right, Joe. Joe on the board now with some numbering. Steele to 150. Kessinger. I know. We had the Langford. Blaze Alexander. Oh, snap. Volpe. Northern Lights PCA for the Cubs. That's a nice one. That's a nice card right there. Nice PCA Northern Lights. Not too bad, little stretch there for the Cubbies. Oh, snap, Volpe for Jordan. Two packs to go. Patch auto live. I'm hoping we get another auto. Hoping we get another auto. We've done it before. We've gotten 4 out of this before. Let's manifest. Pete Alonso to 99 for Jeremy. So what's the point of sweating it if I'm just going to mess it up every time? It's a great question. And Mets picking up some nice cards. Polar Bear to 99. All right, this is a thick boy. This is a thick boy. We're going to leave this one. It's thicker than usual. I know. I'm not even going to sweat it on this last one. Not even going to sweat. A Contreras to 50 for the Cards. Okay, so we didn't even get the base prism thing, which is cool. Everything was at least numbered, but not too happy with that Connor Phillips. Gary Sheffield patch auto, he says. Yuki Matsui, Corbin to 99. Take it. I know, right? Hope you're having fun. Kerstad, Rafaela, good rookies there. Steele, Stott, Gunner, J-Rod, Tony Gwynn for the Padres. Oh boy. Oh boy. Maybe I just stick to price drops now. And then when we pull some more heat, then we get back into a big mixer. All right, guys, good luck. Patch auto is Aaron Nola to 25 on the red napkin patch. It's a sweet looking card, but a lot of butts. Not bad, not bad. Sweet looking card, low numbered for Reed. Let's go, Reed. Very clean signature. That's not Frank. Where's Frank? Could be worse. For sure could be worse. Could be worse. This is a 180. Where's Griffey? Where's everybody? Where's Waldo? But I think there's a chance that was the best auto of the break. Maybe Ben, I mean, yeah, it's got to be. Nola's the best auto. When your patch auto is the best, it's a rough one. Even Bowman. I know, case of the Domino's cards for real, Mark. The Orioles had some decent ones. Some decent numbered cards, but still not going to make up for the Padres. Squeaky clean Bobby Witt. And a Nick Gonzalez. And a Nick Gonzalez. Yeah, we're throwing in something. We're throwing in something. Send me a note, don't buy Giants ever again. Got you. That's the way to do it. That is the way to do it. Okay. Yeah, a lot of cards to sort anyway. So we're gonna do the slabby. We'll throw in a slabby for y'all. See what we muster up. Pristine and Bowman Chrome Duo creates the most trash possible. Insane. Not yet. Yeah, you're out. Oh, I guess that's true because some teams are out of hope here. So, yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we're gonna have to do a little something different here. We're gonna have to do a little something different here. But the question is what? Because there's some teams that don't even have a chance in Slavy. Alright, this is never gonna happen again. I'm throwing in a fresh box of tier 1. Just close your eyes and say thank you, Lord, that you hopped in this break. Alright, here we go. I don't even know how to sweat these cards properly because they're all over the place, so we're just going to get after it. We're just going to get after it, and we'll see what we get. Judge, Tier 1, Arias, Nestor Cortez. Wow, that's not what I wanted to see. Pitcher, 2 pitcher autos, and a Luis Arias relic. With Aaron Judge to 99. Okay, a little Judge to 99. Golly, do it again. Yeah, now I'm just lighting money on fire. It's a nice looking relic though for the Twins. Twins is Jordan, Yankees is Jordan. So this is just a Jordan box here. This was just a Jordan box here. When it rains, it pours, my friends. Judge to 99. I got enough sorting to do, so I couldn't bring myself to go like full box. No, Marlins, sorry. Wow, the Marlins 8. I think even with those 2 cards... Wait, so just 2 for the Yankees, 2 for the Marlins. Gotta love it. 2 for the Yankees, 2 for the Marlins. Gotta love it. World Series of 2000... No, I think... Was that the Yankees? Marlins, Yankees in 03? Man, oh man. Bang! What a break. A break that I don't even know fully deserves a recap, but we're going to do it anyway. We're going to do it anyway. From the extra box. Marlins are money, man. You definitely killed it at that $10 spot. That's the way to do it. Just snag those Marlins and rest on your laurels. Alcantara. Nice little break from the Marlins. All right. Extra box tier 1 here. Cortez, patch auto, Aaron Judge. Alcantara auto to 75, tier 1, Luis Arias. Patch. Corbin Carroll to 99. Oh snap, Volpe, Northern Lights PCA. Steele to 250. Amaya to 75. Valenzuela to 75. Sonny Gray to 150. Wilver Dung auto. Basayo. Mason Wynn, first Bowman Chrome. Casas to 499. Oh man, we've pulled some big cards out of tier 1, Gavin. You might think so, but we pulled some big boys out of tier 1. Low floor, high ceiling. Chase Davis, Skeens rookie. Yolfran Castillo to 99. It came to the league. DeVries, Rafaela rookie. Robelski. Lawler, my first Bowman. Martinez to 150. Blue Reptile. Marte to 299. Colson Montgomery. Herrera to 499. Caminero, it came to the league. Alonso to 150. Skeens. Anniversary. Soronic, Giovanni Rodriguez, Caminero, Luis Baez, Feliz to 199. Nice Bobby to 75 there. Iverson Allen, Nimala, Celestin, and your one touches, probably the best one, Nola patch auto to 25, and then you've got Contreras to 50, Garcia Parra for the Red Sox, Connor Phillips for the Reds, Alonso to 99, Randy Johnson to 75, and Ben Joyce for the Angels.